Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyrene, and if you're new here, I like to make videos and I post every Friday and Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But today, I think this is going to be up by Saturday. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe it'll be up during the week. I sort of just want this video out, and then I also have other palette reviews that's supposed to be out during like the weekday, so yeah. So I actually got a bunch of like stuff. So I got stuff from Pup Box for my dog. I was supposed to cancel it, but apparently I can't cancel it because I selected the 12-month option. So yeah, and then I also got stuff from Sigma. I'm not going to show you guys the shipping label because yeah, just a little disclaimer to Charlotte. Hey Charlotte. I was supposed to use your affiliate code, but they sent me another code that was worth a little bit more money off, so I used that. But I promise next time I will use your affiliate code. Okay, I got you, girl. And then I also got Boxycharm, and yes, I was supposed to cancel it, but I thought like after the 3 months that it'll just be done. I didn't like go physically go on the website and cancel it, so yeah. And then Pup Box, as I said. So we're gonna start with Pup Box. For the Boxycharm stuff, I'm not going to swatch or anything yet because I think I'm gonna make that into a separate video, like as a little try on haul. So yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's my dog's birthday. It's my dog's birthday month. So yes, I think I'll post this on the day of his birthday. So yeah. Happy birthday, you will always be a puppy in our eyes. Puppy birthday cake recipe. Okay, and then, so this is how it looks like. I've had this for a couple months now. I don't know why I've never shared it with you guys, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and, he's gonna love this. Okay. So, this is cute. It says a few Bark to School tips and tricks. Yeah. We'll work on this a little bit later. How freaking cute! Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay, so there's a little balloon animal. He's gonna love this. I hear him like whimpering right now. He hears like squeak. And then there's a little donut. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Wait, what? They have doggy popcorn? This is new, okay. And then they have cake mix. Easy to make treats for dog. We're using this weekend. A little hat. He's gonna like take it off like right when I put it on him. And then some little treats. This is good for his trainings or like the treats that I give him before his bedtime. So super excited for him to try it out. Oh my gosh, he's 1 year old. I'm such a mom. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but like, I never thought I would be saying that. And I never like, it was really unexpected for me to get him, by the way. Well, it's not technically mine, it's my boyfriend's, but he lives with me. Well, it's our dog, so yeah. But yeah, he lives with me because I want him to live with me. That's why he lives with me. And then we're gonna open up Sigma. I don't want you guys to see my address. And I'm sorry if this seems a little rushed. I'm trying to do this fast because I'm meeting up with my boyfriend right after this. And I haven't even eaten yet, so I'm hungry right now. I'll probably eat when he gets here so we can eat at the same time. So this is how it looks like inside. And it says, beauty delivery just for you. Oh, just for me? Of course. Just kidding. I don't mean to sound so stuck up. Sorry. I honestly forgot what I ordered, so let's see what I ordered. Okay, cool. So I ordered the F80 flat kabuki brush. So this is how it looks like. Also, I know you guys see the ring light in my glasses. I'm so sorry about that. I also got this liquid pen eyeliner. I'm gonna try this out in the next review because the Ciate Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner, sort of, it doesn't like, ow, the corners of these are really hurtful. The Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner doesn't really go on like properly when I have eyeshadow on, so yeah. and like the tip is getting dull too, so yeah. And then I also got the E38 diffuse crease brush, and it just looks like that. I just need a new brush because the bristles on the Morphe brush, it's like whew. So yeah. Oh yeah, it also came with the Sigmatic brush shampoo, 100% natural liquid brush cleanser. So yeah. And finally, we are opening the Boxycharm box. So I believe that the theme is wildflowers. So yeah. First things first, I got the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Add gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into silky dome of powder. The smooth and long wearing formula is paraben free and infused with skin loving antioxidants. I personally, actually maybe I might give it a try, but I personally do not like shimmer blushes because yeah, I just don't. Next, we got the Butter London Stroke of Wow roll-on liner. Oh dang, this is a roll-on liner. Whoa, it's actually a roll-on liner. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's cool. I'm glad I didn't cancel. This is really cool. Good. Create Precise Ultra Fine Wing Liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you an insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick drying smudge proof formula is guaranteed to last. And then I got the Alamar Cosmetics brush set, which is awesome because I need a new flat brush. So I got one right here. Then this one, is this an eyebrow brush? No, it's probably an eyeliner brush. Then this one's, yeah, okay. So this is the Ojitos brush set made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color into your lids, while fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. Awesome. And then we got the Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. Have your cake and wear it too. The frosting scented. This is hard to open. Oh. Whoa, that actually smells good. I was so confused. Like, this looks like a lipstick, right? But no, that doesn't even come off. Because it's a liquid lipstick. Okay. I actually really like the applicator. This is one of my favorite types of applicators. It smells so good. What the heck? I inhaled that too much. The frosting scented long wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly, while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. We'll see that in the review video. And then finally, of course, we gotta have a palette in here. So this is made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. So yeah, these are the colors, and that's how it looks like. And yeah, that's basically it for the haul. I'm so sorry this seems so rushed, but I just want to share this with you guys so that I can make a review video soon. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and stay tuned for the review videos of all the makeup products or whatever. And yeah, so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, make sure you guys give us a like, subscribe, and ring that little notification bell if you guys want to see more of me and want to see more of my reviews. I have a lot more reviews to do. I just did the Norvina palette review, as well as the Dose of Colors and what's it called? Dose of Colors and Laura Lee Party Animal palette review. I still need to do Soft Glam, Subculture. I know it's been a while. Subculture's been out for a long time, but I never used it yet. And as well as the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration, the Vault collection thing. Anyways, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Actually, I won't see you guys. You guys will see me, so you guys will see me later. Bye.